Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you want clear, glowing skin without spending tons of money on expensive products, the answer is simple: water. Today, we're diving deep into the importance of water for clear skin and how it can transform your beauty from the inside out. Watch till the end, because I'll also share some hydration tips that celebrities and dermatologists swear by. Segment 1: Why water is the ultimate skin elixir. Water is life for your skin. Our body is 60 to 70% water, and our skin is the largest organ that needs constant hydration. Per day is the recommended amount. But it depends on factors like climate, activity level, and skin type. Signs you need more water: dry and tight skin, frequent acne breakouts, lips cracking or peeling, dark circles and dull complexion. Pro tip: if your urine is dark yellow, you need more water. Light yellow equals well hydrated. Segment 4: Best ways to increase water intake for clear skin, 8 to 10 o'clock. Point number 1. Start your day with a glass of warm water. Helps kickstart metabolism and detoxifies overnight waste. Add lemon or honey for extra benefits. Point number 2. Eat water-rich foods. Hydration isn't just about drinking water, eat it too. Best foods for hydration: watermelon, cucumbers, oranges, strawberries, celery, lettuce. Point number 3. Use a water reminder app. Apps like Hydro Coach or My Water remind you to stay hydrated. Point number 4. Carry a water bottle everywhere. A reusable bottle makes it easier to drink more water. Try an infuser bottle for flavored water with mint, lemon, or berries. Let's make water drinking fun and effort success. Segment 5: Celebrity secrets: how stars stay hydrated for perfect skin. Point number 1. Jennifer Aniston drinks 3 liters of water daily to maintain youthful skin. Point number 2. Kim Kardashian always carries an infused water bottle for extra hydration. Point number 3. Beyoncé credits her glow to staying hydrated and eating water-rich foods. Point number 4. Miranda Kerr drinks coconut water for an extra hydration boost. If celebrities trust water for their beauty, why shouldn't we? Segment 6: Myths about water and skin. Myth 1: drinking more water instantly clears skin. Fact: it takes consistent hydration for weeks to see noticeable changes. Myth 2: coffee and tea count as hydration. Fact: caffeinated drinks can dehydrate you. Stick to plain water or herbal teas. Myth 3: you can only hydrate by drinking water. Fact: hydrating foods, juices, herbal teas, and coconut water also help. Final tips and call to action. So there you have it. Water is the ultimate beauty secret for glowing, acne-free skin. Quick recap: heavy checkmark, drink 8+ glasses of water daily. Heavy checkmark, eat hydrating foods like watermelon and cucumber. Heavy checkmark, use a water reminder app to stay consistent. Heavy checkmark, start your morning with a glass of lemon water now. I challenge you. Start drinking more water today and share your progress in the comments below. Like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more beauty secrets every week. Watch these videos next for more skincare and beauty tips.